Do you feel like an absolute idiot when a 19-year-old Bitcoin millionaire cruises by in their Lambo, reminding you that apparently you didn't have to go to college, grad school, or trade your waking hours for a six-figure desk job to attain financial success in life? If so, have no fear, because while the bad news is that you can't turn back the clock or become that 19-year-old, the good news is that you aren't actually too late to see crazy 10x, 50x, and maybe even 100x or more returns by investing in the right crypto. However, if you have no clue where to start and feel like a Dumbo for even asking the question, this is going to be your step-by-step guide to investing in Bitcoin for literal idiots and beginners. If those 100x returns seem too good to be true, or you're doubting whether it's worth sticking around for the next 10 or so minutes to hear what I have to say, consider the fact that since its launch in 2009, Bitcoin has skyrocketed by over 760,000x. Imagine getting in on that growth. Well, you actually can. I'm going to guide you through understanding Bitcoin, show you step by step how to buy it, and share some tips to maximize your returns. Let's get right into it. What is Bitcoin? Before we dive into how to buy Bitcoin, let's briefly cover what it actually is. Bitcoin BTC is the cryptocurrency that runs on the Bitcoin blockchain, a distributed database secured by a network of computers called miners. These miners perform complex calculations to validate and record transactions on the blockchain, ensuring its security and integrity. The blockchain is divided into blocks, each containing a list of transactions. When miners successfully add a block to the blockchain, they're rewarded with BTC. This incentive system keeps the network secure and operational. So, what gives BTC its value? There are three main reasons. 1. Security. The Bitcoin blockchain is considered the most secure digital network in existence. It's proven its resilience over time, making BTC a reliable digital asset. 2. Supply and demand. Bitcoin supply is limited. Every 4 years, the amount of BTC that miners receive as a reward is halved, reducing the supply. With increasing or steady demand, this typically leads to a rise in Bitcoin's price. 3. Financial freedom. Owning BTC gives you complete control over your assets. You can store it in your own wallet and decide what to do with it without relying on banks or other intermediaries. Now, let's take a closer look at why this matters. Imagine the money you have in your bank account. Technically, it doesn't fully belong to you. Banks can freeze accounts and governments can impose restrictions. With BTC, you have full control. You decide when to move it, where to spend it, and how to store it. This kind of financial autonomy is becoming increasingly rare in today's world. How to buy Bitcoin. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of buying BTC. There are two main ways to purchase Bitcoin: directly through cryptocurrency exchanges or indirectly through traditional financial platforms like Bitcoin ETFs. Direct purchase. Buying BTC directly is preferable because it allows you to hold your own Bitcoin. You can do this through various cryptocurrency exchanges and platforms. However, if you're uncomfortable with self-custody or have regulatory concerns, you might consider indirect methods. Indirect purchase. Indirect methods involve buying Bitcoin-related financial products like ETFs from traditional exchanges. While these are convenient, they come with a caveat: you don't technically own the Bitcoin. These assets are custodial, meaning someone else holds the BTC on your behalf, and their prices can deviate from the actual BTC price since they trade during stock market hours only. So which method is best? Direct purchase is usually the way to go, as it gives you full control over your BTC. Let's go over some of the best platforms for American investors. 1. Coinbase. The pros include the user-friendly interface, high liquidity, and the fact that Coinbase is secure with insurance for assets held on the platform. The cons include higher fees compared to other exchanges and occasional customer service issues. Coinbase is best for beginners looking for an easy way to buy, sell, and hold BTC. 2. Crypto.com. The pros include the competitive fees, wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, and the fact that Crypto.com offers additional services like a Visa card and staking. The cons include the complex fee structure and occasionally slow customer support. Crypto.com is best for users looking for a comprehensive crypto platform with additional perks. 3. Robinhood. Robinhood's pros include the no commission fees and easy integration with stock trading. Its cons are that it's limited to a few cryptocurrencies, you don't control your private keys, and it offers limited functionalities compared to dedicated crypto exchanges. Robinhood is best for investors who want to trade both stocks and cryptocurrencies within one platform. Crypto wallet storing your BTC. Once you've bought BTC, it's crucial to transfer it to your personal wallet to keep it secure. Here are some popular wallet options. 1. Coinbase Wallet. The pros include that it's user-friendly, integrates well with the Coinbase exchange, and supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies. The cons are that some users might prefer a wallet not tied to an exchange. The Coinbase Wallet is best for those who use Coinbase for trading and want an integrated wallet solution. 2. MetaMask. MetaMask's pros are that it's popular among DeFi users, supports Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, and offers a user-friendly browser extension. Its cons are that it's limited to Ethereum and ERC20 tokens and has some security risks if not used properly. MetaMask is best for users looking to engage with DeFi and hold Ethereum-based assets. 3. Hardware wallets like Ledger Nano S and Trezor. The pros of these hardware wallets are that they offer the highest level of security and offline storage. Their cons are that they cost money and are less convenient for daily transactions. Hardware wallets are best for long-term holders and those with significant crypto holdings. For those outside the US, Swissborg is a great option. It's based in Switzerland, available in 44 countries, and known for its transparency and compliance. They segregate customer and corporate assets, ensuring your funds are secure. Step-by-step guide to buying BTC on Coinbase. Here's how to buy BTC using Coinbase. 1. Create an account, go to the Coinbase website or download the app, then sign up with your email address and create a strong password. 2. Verify your identity, complete the KYC process by providing your personal details and uploading a photo ID. 3. Add a payment method, link your bank account, debit card, or other payment method. 4. Buy BTC, navigate to the Buy/Sell section, select BTC, enter the amount you want to purchase, and confirm the transaction. Tips to maximize your BTC returns. Now, let's talk about maximizing your BTC returns. 1. Low-fee platforms. Use platforms like Coinbase Pro or Crypto.com that offer lower fees on deposits, trades, and withdrawals compared to standard services. 2. Buy and hold in the long term. Holding BTC is often more profitable than frequent trading. Avoid the temptation to trade daily unless you're committed to full-time research and analysis. 3. Diversify. While BTC is a strong investment, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio with other cryptocurrencies and assets. 4. Manage volatility. BTC can be volatile. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose and consider reducing your allocation if you're constantly checking prices. 5. Leverage BTC. Once your holdings are significant, consider borrowing against your BTC instead of selling it. This can help you avoid capital gains taxes in some jurisdictions. Always consult with a tax professional. 6. Realize inflation impact. Understand that part of BTC's price appreciation is due to fiat currency devaluation. This insight helps manage your expectations and investment strategy. 7. Long-term perspective. Set realistic goals for your BTC investment. Many experts predict BTC could reach between $120,000 and $180,000 by 2025, but always be prepared for fluctuations. Bitcoin security and self-custody. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency. When you buy BTC, you need to ensure that it's stored securely. This means transferring your BTC from the exchange to a personal wallet. There are different types of wallets, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and paper wallets. Each has its pros and cons, but hardware wallets are generally considered the safest option for long-term storage. A hardware wallet is a physical device that securely stores your private keys offline. This makes it immune to hacking attempts that target online wallets. Popular hardware wallets include the Ledger Nano S and Trezor. Using a hardware wallet involves setting up the device, transferring your BTC to it, and safely storing the device and its recovery phrase. Common beginner questions. Let's address some common questions beginners often have. 1. Is Bitcoin legal? Yes, Bitcoin is legal in most countries, but the regulatory environment can vary. It's important to stay informed about the laws in your country regarding cryptocurrency usage and taxation. 2. How much should I invest? Only invest what you can afford to lose. The crypto market is highly volatile, and it's possible to see significant fluctuations in value. 3. Can I buy less than one Bitcoin? Absolutely. Bitcoin is divisible into smaller units called satoshis, with 1 BTC equaling 100 million satoshis. You can buy fractions of a Bitcoin based on how much you want to invest. 4. How do I keep my Bitcoin safe? Use a secure wallet, preferably a hardware wallet, and never share your private keys or recovery phrases with anyone. Enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts for added security. Price and value explanation. Now let's talk about why cryptocurrencies have value. Think about the money in your wallet. What gives it value? Once upon a time, it was backed by gold, but that changed. Today, the value of money comes from trust in the government that issues it. In cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, derive their value from what they do and the technology behind them. Bitcoin, for example, has value because it's scarce. Only 21 million BTC will ever exist. It's like digital gold. Ethereum, on the other hand, has value because of its utility. It's a platform for building decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. These use cases create demand for Ether, the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum network. This leads us to the concept of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi platforms allow you to lend, borrow, and trade without intermediaries like banks. This is revolutionary because it gives everyone access to financial services, regardless of their location or background. Imagine earning interest on your crypto holdings or taking out a loan without a credit check. That's the power of DeFi. For instance, platforms like Uniswap allow users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with one another without needing a central authority. This peer-to-peer trading not only reduces costs, but also increases transparency and security. Similarly, lending platforms like Aave let you lend your crypto assets to others and earn interest, all without a middleman. Which cryptocurrencies to buy? Okay, with all this talk about Bitcoin, you're probably wondering, is Bitcoin the best or the only cryptocurrency I need to buy to make my millions? The truth is that no, while Bitcoin is revered as one of the greatest and safest cryptocurrencies of all, it's far from early stage, and there are many other valuable crypto projects at much earlier stages of their development, which you could invest in to see that 100x or even 1000x or more return. If you're wondering exactly how to find those other deep value cryptos that could still turn your $1,000 into $1 million, then be sure to subscribe to this channel, smash the like button on this video, and click to watch this video right here.